Okay guys, you can see this country now, which is the receipt. It is called Aqua e Sapone. So the amount is €47.71. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mrs. Jwo TV. If today is your first time coming across this channel, please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Remember guys, I do a lot of things in this channel. I do review, I do cooking, I do motivational talks, many. Okay, so in today's video I will be showing you detergent that you need in your home. Yeah, let me just put it that way. You need this detergent. They smell so nice and it's very, very affordable. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, first of all, I will start by showing you the ones that I use in mopping my house, which is mopping the floor. Okay, I have different kind of detergents, you know. I have the ones of washing machines, I have the one to wash your dishes, then I have the one to mop the floor. So let me start by showing you the one that I use in cleaning my gas cooker whenever I finish cooking. Okay, so first of all, I have this product here. In Italiano they wrote Eloderma. This one is Eloderma. Okay, Eloderma acciaio. Okay, so this one is very, very good. This is the third time I'm buying this product. Okay, I use it to clean my gas whenever I'm done cooking. You can see it here. You can use it to clean your gas. You can use it to clean your kitchen sink. I don't know if you can really see it. Sorry for the light, just manage it with me. Okay, so and it smells so good. Okay, this one is so nice. Then I have another one again for cleaning. Also, you can use this one to clean your glass, windows. You can still use it to clean your gas cooker. You can use this one to clean your bathroom. Okay, look at it. So it's called Chanticleer. This one is Chanticleer. It's very, very nice. Sgrassatori, Chanticleer Sgrassatori. Okay, so I believe they have this product all over the world. You can go to the supermarket and get them for yourself. Then I have this one. This one is for bathroom. Okay, this one is to clean your bathroom. Okay, you can see it, classical pavimenti. Use this one to clean the floor of your bathroom. Each soap here have their own works. Okay, so look at this one. The same product. Archie is for bedroom. You can see it, WC. You can see it here. Archie. And this one also is also called Archie. This one, they are the same product. Archie. Then this one also is for mopping the floor. This one is another product. This one is Lysoform. You can see it. Trust me guys, this product, they are so nice. It smells good. Okay, look at it. And remember, this video is not sponsored by any company, not by anybody. So this one is for washing machine. Okay, if you have washing machine in your home, you can also go for this one. This one is liquid. This one is liquid soap. Okay, you can see it. It smells so nice, guys. This one is liquid soap for washing machine. Then I have Omo here. This is General Universale. General Universale. This one is 5 kilos. Okay, so I decided to buy the big one, 5 kilo, because I can't be going to supermarket every blessed day looking for detergents to wash clothes or to mop the floor. I decided to buy this one. This one is Omo. You can see it is 5 kilos. This one also is very, very nice. I think this is my third time of buying this same product. Then I still have other ones here. This one is called Coccolino. This one is Coccolino. For those people who live in Europe, I believe you guys will know this product. This product is so good. When you use it in washing your clothes, this will last for 48 hours. I think it's written somewhere because I have used this product before. I have used it before. It lasts 48 hours. This one is for washing machine also. Then also with this one, I got this one. This one is lavender. Sorry guys, just be. This one is lavender. Okay. This one is also 5 liters. This one is 5 liters. I think so. Either 5 liters or 4 liters. You can see it. This one is lavender. Okay. Look at it. This one is lavender. Then this one also is for washing clothes. When you use your Omo at first, it depends on the washing machine you have. Okay. I think I have the video on my channel, my daily vlog. Go and see it, how I do my laundry. Okay, so this one is lavender. You can see it. This one smells so nice, guys. You can't believe it. It smells so nice. Okay, then also with this one, also with this one is dual power. So I have used all these products before, guys. Trust me, it smells so good. Yes, I'm a testimony to it. So this one is also dual power. You can see it here. Then I have this one. This one is 4 liters. This one is for washing dishes. Okay, this one is for kitchen. Lavapiatti. This one is for kitchen to wash your dishes. So I got 4 liters. I normally buy 2 liters, but it was opportunity for me to buy this one, so I buy this one. Okay, now let me show you how much I spent. Okay guys, you can see this container, which is the receipt. It is called Acqua e Sapone. So the amount is €47.71. Okay, so that is it. You can see it here now. What is wrong with this camera? You can see it. So it's €47.71.